A new era of recreation is taking shape right here in Fayetteville. The courts at Glenville Lake broke ground on October 21st, 2022, and construction is well underway. The clubhouse structure has been erected, walls are in place, windows are being installed, and lighting is already up. Meanwhile, the courts are being graded and prepped for asphalt as this exciting project moves closer to the completion in late fall 2025. Funded through the voter-approved Parks and Recreation Bond with $5.5 million from ARPA, this $13.4 million investment represents the city's long-term commitment to be the best place to work, live, and recreate. The completed facility will feature a 6,500 square foot clubhouse with a pro shop, instructional spaces, locker rooms with showers, and administrative offices. Outside, visitors can look forward to 11 lighted tennis courts, including a championship court with spectator seating, plus 4 lighted pickleball courts. Part of the 2016 Parks and Recreation Bond vision, the course at Glenville Lake will increase recreation access and service efficiency across the city of Fayetteville.